Today, I'm about to do something crazy. I'm going to see one of the biggest crocodiles ever recorded, and later, I'm going to eat one. Hello, everyone. This is Joe from JM Food Trips, sharing another food adventure. Interested to know how? Well, we just saw the biggest crocodile in the world, and then we ate one. We went to the Palawan crocodile farm and saw Lolong. This thing is huge, like bigger than a car. But here's the crazy part. A few hours later, we ordered crocodile sisig. First bite, we were nervous. But honestly, it tastes like chicken, but juicier. From seeing the king of crocodiles to eating one in the same day, insane, right? Only in Palawan, Philippines. Please join us in our one-day Puerto Prinsesa itinerary. Let's visit the group as they prepare to head out for this adventure. Everyone were looking forward for the experience of tasting crocodile meat. Good morning, everyone. Look at that. All were excited and looking forward to the gigs of the day. Let's have a breakfast. It was a warm morning, typical weather and temperature in the Philippines. We need to choose and wear clothes that is comfortable and refreshing to combat the humidity. For our breakfast, we prepared simple Filipino breakfast to give us the boost energy needed for the day. We rented a 2-story house in the center of the city through Airbnb. The place has 5 bedrooms, fully furnished and gated for additional security. That early morning, around 5:30 a.m., everybody were awake and preparing for the whole day adventure. At 6:30 a.m. sharp, the van and the driver we rented the day before was on the gate. He will be our tourist guide as well. The driving was about 1 to 1.5 hours from our place to the Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. We arrived in our first stop a bit early. Welcome to the Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. Scheduled time, 8 to 10 a.m. After paying the entrance fee as we enter the tourist building, you will see Lolong's giant preserved skin and skeleton pinned on the wall. It is the most famous giant crocodile skin displayed. It is also one of the largest crocodiles ever captured. Lolong was once the world's largest crocodile in captivity. His actual skin and skeleton are preserved and displayed in the farm. Visitors often say the skin is so long, it looks like multiple people could fit inside it. Lolong was the largest crocodile ever recorded in captivity, a saltwater crocodile captured in Palawan in 2011. Officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest crocodile in captivity. This helped raise awareness about wildlife conservation and human-wildlife conflict. He was housed at the Bunawan Eco Park and Wildlife Reservation Center. This eco park became a major tourist attraction after his capture in 2011. His length was 6.17 meters or 20 feet 3 inches. Weight was over 1,000 kilograms or about 2,200 pounds. He lived in a large enclosed lagoon designed to mimic his natural habitat, fed with chicken, pork, and fish, constantly monitored by caretakers and local authorities. However, living in captivity was not the freedom and life he was used to. He died due to stress and illness after 2 years. Lolong was captured because he was believed to be responsible for attacks on livestock and alleged human fatalities. To prevent further danger, he was captured after a 3-week operation involving dozens of people. After Lolong, we proceed to the back of the building to see and watch massive live crocodiles. The staff were offering to hold a baby crocodile to the visitors. Here we go. There's a slight stench as you enter the farm. Look at those massive crocodiles. Visitors can tour the crocodile farm featuring hatcheries, nurseries, and ponds for both freshwater and saltwater crocodiles. An elevated walkway allows observation of adult crocodiles in semi-natural enclosures. The center also houses a small zoo and rehabilitation area for endemic species such as Palawan hornbills, bearcats, and porcupines, promoting education and ecotourism. We roamed around and
Barn
visited the
garden.
majority of the farm. The facility
want,
is
like, nature
located
place.
about
Yeah.
30 minutes to an hour without traffic from central Puerto Prinsesa and is open to visitors daily with guided tours offered. It remains one of the city's most popular educational attractions, especially for travelers exploring Palawan's diverse natural heritage. After the farm tour, we went to the van and headed to our second stop, the Butterfly Garden and Tribal Village. Scheduled time 10 to 11:30 a.m. colorful butterflies and cultural experience time. We observed butterflies, multiple species were there. They were selling herbal plants such as insulin plants too. At the back area of this garden was a tribal village. They showed us how to make some handmade crafts such as wallet, tribal necklaces, and bracelets. After the tribal village, we head out to our third stop, the Kinabuches Grill and Bar. Scheduled time 12 to 1:30 p.m. We are hungry. This restaurant offers exotic food such as crocodile meat and woodworm delicacies. But of course, they also offer beef steaks and other normal dishes. We ordered crocodile sisig for experience and curiosity. In my mind, I am saying, okay, I'm actually nervous right now. This is crocodile meat. After taking the first bite, my reaction was, wait, that's actually good? It tastes like chicken, but richer. How about you guys? Are you willing to try it? Let's continue our itinerary for today. After our unforgettable lunch experience, we head out to Mitra's Ranch and to Baker's Hill, where we spent the rest of the day. Just a clarification, the PWRCC do not cook meat or kill crocodile inside the Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. They collaborate with local and national agencies to conduct wildlife research, captive breeding, and rescue operations. It also engages local communities through outreach programs emphasizing sustainable coexistence between humans and wildlife. Its educational tours are integral to promoting ecological awareness among tourists and residents alike. However, you can eat crocodile meat in several restaurants in the area. Our fourth stop, Mitra's Ranch, scheduled time 2 to 3:30 p.m. We did sightseeing on the Best Mountain and Sea Views area. We also entered the old ranch house of Mr. Mitra, who was once and of the famous politician in the country. Here, you can try zipline if you want for extra thrill. The last stop before heading home was Baker's Hill. Scheduled time 3:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. This place was famous for Little Fantasy Garden. They were selling souvenirs and delicious pastries such as hopia, sweet pastries, yema, cheese bread, and more. You can do some fun photo shoots too. We also had some snacks here. At the end of the day, everybody were tired but had fun. Once again, we took a ride in the van. We were back in the rental house around 9 p.m. We decided to eat dinner first in a nearby restaurant before going back to the rental place. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will be posting a recipe of how to make sisig in my next video. Sisig recipe can make any meat taste good. Stay tuned. Please click like, subscribe, and share below. See you in my next adventure. Thank you so much.